beef capsicum cracked wheat meal or beef capsicum cracked wheat pilaf. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the weight loss recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the wheat recipes and one of the most nutritious of the beef recipes and one of the most unique of the weight loss recipes. Today we are going to make beef cracked wheat meal or beef broken wheat meal. The ingredients are 150 grams of beef cut into pieces. The ingredients are 1 onion cut into pieces, around 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, around 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, and 1 red capsicum cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the garlic, and the ginger, salt, put in the onion pieces. Salt and mix the onions with the garlic and the ginger. Pieces of the beef or meat. Stop. mix the beef pieces with the onion, garlic and ginger. That is hot. Putting the tomato pieces. Salt and mix thoroughly. Salt and mix tomato pieces with the beef and the onions, garlic and ginger. Thoroughly salt. And sorting. Thoroughly mix all the ingredients together. Salt and mix thoroughly. Put in 2 spoons of garam masala mixture spices. And saute. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Mixing the salt with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. On sorting. Keep on sorting. Sort and mix. Mix thoroughly. Pour in 500 ml of water. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for around 120 minutes in an open pan or for 35 to 40 minutes in a pressure cooker. After 120 minutes of cooking, the beef is cooked. Add in the capsicum pieces. Mix thoroughly. Mix the capsicum pieces with the rest of the mixture. Now put in the 1 cup of cracked wheat. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Mix the cracked wheat thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Pour in 3 cups of water. Mix. And let the mixture cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, the beef cracked wheat pilaf or beef cracked wheat meal is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final beef cracked wheat meal or beef cracked wheat pilaf or beef capsicum cracked wheat meal or beef capsicum cracked wheat pilaf. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef recipes and one of the most easiest to make the weight loss recipes and one of the most nutritious of the wheat recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.